Hi folks, we're back continuing on with our renovation project, and there's our first level, and this is pretty much where we left off. This is our first level of the story. Now here we did our RCP as well. We did our reflective ceiling plan. So now we want to focus on getting our second level together. So I've got my second level here. I'm going to open this view up now. Okay, this is my ceiling, and then this is going to be my level 1 floor plan, but I got a level 2 up here, which we really don't have nothing on it, so let's just open level 2. So here's level 2. Added a wall here. Let me move this up a little bit. And the 2 doors. So we're going to have 2 apartments in here. Oh wow, I don't have a clue as to what goes where and who's what. I think we might have a bathroom here. But anyway, I'm going to think about that later, or somebody can come up with some ideas. Now these were the existing windows up here. So I don't know. I have to think about that one because I never went up there. I have no clues what's up here. Or we might just design something. But that's the upper level. So then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go in here and just add the walls, and we're going to just wrap this guy up. So here we're going to open our 3D view of this. And there's our second level up top here. Now what we can do for now, let's just wrap it up. So I'm going to take these walls and I'm going to tab select them all. And these walls are going to be under my properties. We're going to just use the, where is it? Oh, I don't think that's the one. Okay, wait a second here. This is how you fix that. So I want these walls, so I'm going to select this one. Okay, that's the one. So I'm going to just, I can even do this. I don't think I can. Let's do a match. Uh-oh. Nope. Cancel that. Let's do a match. Match. Is it? Uh-oh, I think it is. Yep. It'll let me match properties. So this will be basically the building. So I'm going to go ahead now, just like we did before, and I'm going to add the ceiling plan to level 2. And then we want to have the most important here is going to be the stair. Let's look and see what we got here. Okay, so now let's go and look into a section view here. Cancel this out. Now that's the ceiling. Well, I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and get the ceiling in, and then we'll go and look at the stairs. Okay, so right now we want to go into our project browser, and we want to go to level 2 ceiling. So this is the level 2 ceiling right here. So then I'm going to just go to architecture tab and select ceiling. What are these properties? Where is it at? 8 feet? Yeah, I'm going to go with 8 feet for now. And I'm going to automatic here. So there's one there, and there's the other one there. And of course we need one in here. So, and then we'll need a roof layer as well. That's just a ceiling. So what we do for our roof, we'll go up to our project browser here, and we'll go to roof. And there's our roof. And then roof is just like a floor or anything else, you know. So I'll just go with here, and I would go with architectural. I don't even want to bother with that because I don't want to confuse anybody. But actually, a roof, the roof level is a floor. So let's just place a generic floor here. Properties. It'll be 12-inch generic, and just pick the walls. That one, that one, and that one, and we'll finish it. Don't attach. So here we have our roof now, and I will go to my 3D view, There's our building. And then we got to make aware that our we still have to deal with our ceiling here as far as light fixtures. So this is our ceiling plan. So it's a good habit to rename these, get these in order and organized. We don't need this guy anymore because we're working on the top level now. Or we can add another 3D view here. Now let's go look at these stairs. Oh, should have left that one open. Yeah, level 2 ceiling. Yep. I want to go into level 2 floor plan. Okay, this is level 2. So I want to take a look at what's going on with the stairs. Are we hitting them? So there's a section through there, and we can just double click here and open that section. So there's the basement level, and we got the stair coming here and then going up. So let's go and do this here. I want to see a little farther back there. Let's see if I can go to here. And then we'll double click it. Okay, so I have to do some things up here and here, but the stairs seems like they're going to work just fine. And we've got our ceiling and our roofs. Now, what other thing we can do just to cap this building up? Let me see. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to check in with you on this project. So we got a few things to go here, the second level, but we got the building closed up. I'm going to see if I can do a wall sweep here along the top here, just to finalize this thing totally. Where is it? Okay. What we got there? No, it's got to be loaded in. I got to find something, and I don't want to take too long in this video. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Anyway, yeah, we've got our second level started here. We got our roof done, and then I'm going to add some features on there, architectural features, and go back and look at that photo because I think we got a window or something here. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Be safe, y'all.